Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the Loot Crate Unboxing. That's the bad upside down. This is for, we're in March, so this is for February. I just got it on like March 6th, so it's pretty late, but it's fine. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open her up, see what's inside. Got a knife there. Alright guys, so first off, we'll start with the book. So just so you guys know, this theme for this month is actually transformation. You guys can see that? Transformation. So I'm thinking it's going to be a bunch of people going crazy or going Super Saiyan or something. We'll go ahead and start with the first item is the shirt. Alright, let's take a look at this bad boy. Well, if you don't know who this is, then you don't watch enough Cartoon Network. It's Adventure Time. Looks like it's just a collage of a bunch of characters. It's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't watch Adventure Time. I mean, I know who that is, but I probably wouldn't wear this. Probably gonna give it to my little brother. He's into Adventure Time. But, you know, I'm pretty sure he'll like it. I'm just like, whatever. Alright, let's go to the next one. We go ahead and go with the pin. We have, wow, this is tight. Alita. The pin looks good. I've actually never seen an anime. Yeah, you see that? It's like a hand. That's actually a pretty tight looking pin. But yeah, Alita, I believe that's that new movie coming out. It's supposed to be like a live action anime looking thing. I mean, it looks good. I mean, she looks weird because she has gigantic eyes, but we'll see when it comes out, I guess. We have a box. I don't know what's in this box. It's literally just black. Oh, made in China. What isn't? Let's open this bad boy up. Naruto, look at that. Bam. Naruto cup. It's glass. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, it's blue glass. I mean, that's cool. You can drink your beer in this. Do not microwave, cold liquids only. Probably can only drink a beer on this. I mean, that's what it looks like. Anyways, looks cool though. I like this. I'd use this for sure. Autobots. Autobot Defense Base, Omega Supreme, Guardian Spaceship Tank Ranged. I think this is like a little card in here. Collect Combiner cards. This is like a collector card thingy or something. When you flip this mode, choose one. Draw a card, do 1 damage to an enemy. Now you can see the holographic. But I believe there might be like a small pack of cards you can buy for this. Maybe this is like a new game or something. But yeah, that comes in there. And then we got one more thing in here. The Hulk. Now I love the Hulk, even though he was useless in the last Infinity War movie. And we'll see how that goes in the new one, which apparently is coming out like literally next month. It says adult collectible, not a toy. 3D comics standee. Oh, that's tight. Check it. Oh, don't want to drop it. Hold that in place. Right there. What do you guys think? Right there. Flat. Bam. But yeah, I'm definitely going to put this up on my wall. This is cool. Alright, so yeah, I mean, that's everything in this loot crate. If you want to look at the inside of the box, literally it's just, looks like it's the Hulk with the green hands. That's all it is. Nothing crazy. Not like last month's design. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I do like the Hulk, and I do like the pin. The shirt, it's whatever. And the glass is cool. I do like Naruto. I actually have to finish it. I haven't finished it. I only watched the original Naruto. But yeah, so that was this unboxing for this loot crate of March. Please like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll see you on the next episode.